comes to rebars used universally in industrial and civil fields, you might have been wondering about the differences between the FRP rebar and its steel counterpart. Despite obvious trends in various industries shifting to FRP rebars, some companies are still doubtful and conduct multiple pieces of research on FRP versus steel prospects, characteristics, and performance. Steel rebar and its properties. Steel is known for its great qualities deployed across various industries. The downside of steel is that it is prone to moisture and, consequently, corrosion. All sorts of chemical reactions, such as oxidation, generate a negative impact on steel properties eventually. Thus, steel rebar applications are restricted in some industries. The advantage of the low initial cost is overlapped by higher transportation and on-site installation costs given its heavy weight. On a long-term horizon, corroded steel rebar requires costly maintenance and results in increased tensile load on concrete structures. FRP rebar and its properties. FRP, or fiber-reinforced polymer, has been replacing steel across diverse industries. Being resistant to corrosion and various chemical processes and reactions, FRP has become the preferred material for marine and open-air exposed applications. Various additives used for enhancing some properties can increase the overall tensile capacity and endurance of FRP products, including rebar, silos, tanks, etc. The tensile strength of fiber rebar is
100%
higher in comparison with a steel bar. The material bonding force of fiber reinforcement is considerably stronger compared to steel. This explains better operational endurance of FRP rebar. Customizable manufacturing allows tailoring resins used for the FRP rebar production to meet niche-specific FRP rebar versus steel rebar. Properties: weight, strength, electrical conductivity, thermal conductivity, corrosion resistance, heavy load resistance. Costs. Final thoughts. When it comes to a choice of FRP rebar versus steel rebar, FRP wins in many applications due to its superior thermal, corrosion, and chemical. Add here a much lighter weight that facilitates transportation by further cost reduction, the choice seems pretty obvious. Yet still, steel rebars are irreplaceable by FRP in industrial applications that require electrical conductivity as a mandatory attribute. Other than highly specialized applications, FRP rebar is rightly seen as a cost-effective alternative to steel rebar.